Then the topic for today discussion is commutation in DC machine and its improvement techniques. That means how the commutation will be exist in DC machine and how this can be improved. And firstly, if we go to commutation, the commutation is nothing the process which is occur in this commutator. Because in DC machine, commutator is a main part which convert this induced EMF which is induced in AC in nature into DC part. But if we see this picture, then there are various commutator segment and one by one they go under the influence of brush. They go under the influence of brush, either positive brush or negative brush. That means the current from these coil, the current from these coil which is inward to the brush is taken as positive. See case here, the current is just inward, and the current from outward, that means here the current is outward from the coil, and the corresponding brush is taken as a negative brush, and the corresponding uh, and the corresponding brush is taken as a negative brush. And the process of then the reversible of current in coil, which coil? That is coil which is under commutation. Commutation means which is in contact with our brush. The reversible of current in a coil as the coil passes the brush axis. These are the brush axis from this point to this point. These are the brush axis from this positive to negative. That means midway of our brush is called brush axis. The reversible of current in coil as the coil passes the brush axis is called commutation. And the current in the coil connected to a brush are either all towards the brush, that means toward the brush. That means from that coil, current is toward the brush is taken as positive brush, and all directed away from, that means taken away from the brush is taken as a negative brush. Then if we see this figure, this will be again arbitrary, or you can say that thus enhanced figure. We have a stator in which we have stator coils in north pole side, and this will be south pole coil. That means these are pole winding, and this will be black will be shaft. After that we have a commutator, and this 1 2 3 4 are the commutator segment. And we as earlier say that in each commutator segment there will be a coil inducting between these. That means there will be existence of inductance between two commutator segment, one commutator, and there will be one coil. In same fashion we will represent here. That means in two commutator we will be a one coil. We will be a one coil which have some value inductance and current flowing, that is that coil is IDC by 2. That means half of the current is flowing through that coil. That means if we take current total I, then I by R is flowing this coil. Or otherwise if we take current total 2I, then I current is flowing these two coil. That means 2I by 2 is equal to again I, and I by 2 is equal to I by 2. That means half of the current is flowing through that coil. That means there are two parallel path between the brushes. This will be the between the brushes. Then each coil of the winding carry current I. See this current carrying I. Half on half on the half of the total current. On the total current, if total current is 2I entering or leaving the armature. Either you can take total current as a 2I, or either you can take a total current I. If it is I, it will be I by 2. If it is 2I, it will be I. See here, current I is coming to this brush contact. These and these two figure are same, and there will be a coil. There will be a inductance which we have not shown here. If we go here, when commutation take place, the coil undergoing the commutation is just short circuited by the brush. That means the coil on which commutator is the brush is contacting at that commutator is called short circuit. For example, see this figure 1. Here the commutator segment 1 is taken as short circuit because whole the brush will be placed on commutator 1. See here, for example, this will be one, this will be one. If this whole the brush is through one, then it will be taken as, otherwise it is on two brushes, sorry, two commutator segment. एक ब्रश है जो दो कम्यूटेटर सेगमेंट को कनेक्ट कर रही है। अगर आप यहाँ पे देखें तो यहाँ पे क्या है, सिर्फ एक कम्यूटेटर सेगमेंट को इसी के पास है। इसका मतलब होल द करंट इज पासिंग थ्रू दिस commutator segment. If 40 ampere is current passing through, so 40 and 40 ampere will be going through this commutator segment, from which 20 is taken from this coil and 20 is taken from this coil. That means this I by 2, I by 2. The total current is 40 ampere, I by 2 is 20 ampere, 20 ampere. 20 ampere is flowing from this, 20 ampere is flowing from this. Take another case. Take another case. If two commutator segment are in contact, that is 1 and 2. That is 1 and 2. If we see that 1 is commutated by approximate our 20 and this will be commutated by 40. That means if this will be commutated by 66%, that means measure of the part is on 1, 66% of the brush part is on segment 1 and 33 part is on segment 2. Then that percentage current is flowing through this coil and rest will be flowing through this coil. That means 30 ampere current is flowing through this coil and 40 ampere going to this coil. That means 75% current is flowing through this coil and this 25% is going to this coil, because 75% of brush contact is in with this commutator. Go another case. If it is almost 50-50%, then 20% from this coil, then 50% from this coil, 50% from this coil. If it is just reversible, that means commutator 2 is 75% under consideration and this will be 25. 30% is flowing through this, 20% is flowing through. But according to definition, it is nothing, commutation is nothing, the process of reversible of current. Here total current is 40 ampere. If we implement KCL in this point, then this in this point, see this in this point, 20% is coming from this side and 20% is coming from this side. That means if we take a, this is taken as incoming current, this is taken as outer current. That means it is reversible of current, nothing, it is reversible of current through a commutator segment which is in contact with the brush. जो आपके साथ ब्रश के साथ कॉन्टेक्ट में, वहां रिवर्सिबल होगा. Then first taken away point is that when commutation takes place, the coil which is undergoing commutation is short circuited. That means at that time only coil 1 is short circuit. At that time coil 1 and 2 are short circuit. At this time coil 1 and 2 are short circuit. At this time coil 1 and 2 are short circuited. That means which is in contact, that is considered as a short circuit and whole the current is flowing through that coil. Here this coil segment is not taken as short circuit because, or coil is not taken as short because whole the current is flowing through this coil. That means at that time the coil which is connected to commutator segment 1 is taken as a short circuit, and this will be the ideal commutation from B to C. It is taken as ideal commutation, that whole of the current, that is plus 20 ampere current, is converted into minus 20 ampere current in a time interval when the brush is connected to another commutator segment. There will be a no delay, and this will be called as a perfect commutation, or we can say that ideal commutation. The brief period during which coil remains short circuit is called commutation period. That means this is called commutation from period from C to this point. It is called commutation period. If the reversible of current is completed by the completed completed by the end of commutation period, it called ideal commutation. That means total current will be inverted into negative value with a time period or with a specific time before before this our brush will be in contact with another commutator segment. So this is called ideal commutation. But what happen practically, there will be some delay, there will be some delay. For example, whole of the current, otherwise it will be in contact with 2 at that position, whole of the current, that means 40 ampere current is flowing through 3, but due to some inductance, this inductance value, some of the current is flowing through this circuit, otherwise it is removing from this commutator. ब्रश है जो इस कम्यूटेटर को छोड़ के आगे कम्यूटेटर सेगमेंट पे चली गई है, फिर भी है जो कुछ करंट इससे फ्लो कर रहा है, वो क्यों कर रहा है? दैट इज ड्यू टू दिस इंडक्टेंस, प्रेजेंस ऑफ this inductance, because V is equal to L di by dt, and in inductive circuit current is always delay always delay or lagging behind the voltage. That is the basic funda. That is the basic funda. Otherwise, this brush will be in contact with commutator segment 2, but there will be some delay. If there will be a delay, instead of this ideal flow of path, ideal commutation, ideal commutation, it will be follow this path, practical path, and this will be delay. By this time, there will be a delay, and that delay is responsible for our sparking, and that delay is occur due to inductance. Or in nutshell, if we say that due to presence of inductance in the coil, there will be a delay, and delay go to our we can say that that is under commutation, or we can say that not ideal commutation, and due to that commutation there will be a sparking. This will be the actual phenomena of development of sparking in the in the DC motor, because coil have inductance. That coil, due to this principle, goes some delay or lagging behind, and due to delay this characteristics will be shifted from ideal to non-ideality. Non-ideality, that means from this point to this point, and that non-ideality goes to sparking. That means this flow of 8 ampere current is lead for sparking, and this will be remaining 20 ampere. Otherwise it will 12 ampere only. In this case 12 ampere is shifted from this side. Otherwise in ideal case 20 is here, 20 is here, but at that position brush is shifted completely to commutator segment 2, but current is again flowing through this this segment 8 ampere. Only 12 ampere is shifted to here, then 20 plus 12 32 is passing through this here, and this type of commutation is called under commutation. If the current reversible is not completed by the time, then sparking occur between the brushes and commutator, which result in progressive damage in both. That means it is harmful for both. That is this brush, this commutator segment as well as this brush. Practically this happen in DC machine, and there will be a little bit sparking in DC machine. This is known as under commutation or delay commutation. That means this process shifting of this characteristics from this point to this point is known as our under commutation or delay commutation. Then cause of sparking. That means this cause of sparking. What is cause of sparking? I earlier told this is the cause of sparking, this L inductance, and due to this inductance there will be a production of voltage, and that voltage is responsible for the sparking, because this VL is responsible for flow of this 8 ampere current until the brush is moved to commutator segment 2. ब्रश है जो अपने commutator segment 2 पे भी चली गई है, फिर भी यहाँ पे करंट फ्लो हो रहा है, किसके कारण? दिस विल बी द फॉर्मूला VL di by dt due to this inductance of coil. That means this induced voltage is responsible for the sparking. In actual practice, the current in short circuit coil after commutation period does not reach its full value, as I shown by red line. It does not feel. Otherwise ideally कहाँ जाना चाहिए? इस वे में जाना चाहिए, but ideally ऐसे नहीं flow कर रहा है. It will follow some another path, that is this path, that is this path. Its full value is minus 20. This is due to the fact that short circuit coil offers self inductance, that is called our L, which I earlier told, that is our self inductance, or simply we can say that L. The rate of change of current is much high that the self-inductance coil set up a back EMF which is oppose the reversible of current. Which is that back EMF? It is that. Or we can say that this EB, which is calculated by L self di by dt. This will be the equation. Rate of change of, as I earlier discussed. And since the current in coil has to change from plus I to minus I, that is minus plus 20 to minus 20, the total current is 2I. 2I is 40 ampere. That will be the total current. Either you can say in definition way, or either if total current is I, then it will be changes from I to I by 2 to minus I by 2. It will again same. If I is taken as 40, I by 2, 40 by 42. That means minus 20, 40 by 2 is 20, plus 22 minus 20. Or either you can say in this way, plus I to I, or that means total current is in this case 2I, or either I 2I2 minus 2I, then this current is I. You can explain it any way. So this will be the reason. So that means this self inductance is a reason for sparking. If Tc is the commutation time period, and L is the inductance of coil, that is self inductance. Then average voltage is calculated by again same formula VR, or we can say that V reactive voltage, and this voltage is called reactive voltage or self induced voltage. Self induced voltage. The large voltage appearing between the commutator segment to which coil is connected cause sparking at the brush of a machine. The sparking of commutation is much harmful and it will be damage both. It will be damage both. That will be our, if this will be a commutator and this will be a brush, it will be damage both this commutator as well as a brush. Its effect is cumulative, which may be lead to short circuit of the machine and arc around the commutator from the brush to brush. It will be lead for sometime, it will be lead for arc in the machine. Then this is not a positive phenomena. That means sparking is not a advisable, or it is not a positive phenomena. Then we need to remove this commutation. That means we have to improve commutation, means we have to reduce the sparking in a DC machine, and that can be reduced by changing some कंस्ट्रक्शनल फीचर ऑफ ए मशीन. दैट मीन जो एग्जिस्टिंग मशीन हमारे पास है उसमें कुछ अगर हम चेंज करें बाय मटेरियल और बाय टेक्नोलॉजी, वी कैन इंप्रूव द कम्यूटेशन. दैट मीन्स improving commutation means make current reversible in short circuit current coil as sparkless. That means the current should be sparkless as possible, जितना हम कर सकते हैं. The various improving techniques are, various जो methods है हमारे पास. If we go, the formula for this will be equal to VIR, well known equation, well known Ohm's law equation, and here objective is only to change this I. Objective is to change this I, because it will be changes from plus I value to minus I value. So there will be either we play in two way. One way is voltage and another way is resistance. इस I को अगर हमने इसने मेंटेन करना है इस पॉसिबल वैल्यू में, दैट मीन्स इट विल फॉलो द आइडियल कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स instead of non-ideal characteristics. Then we have to play with these two factors. One is resistance, another will be voltage. So resistance is, first method is resistance commutation method, another one is voltage commutation, and sometimes it is called EMF commutation method. Further it is to divide brush shift and compensating pole, and another technique is compensating winding, because compensating winding reduce the armature reaction. This armature reaction again reduce this voltage. That means this compensating winding sometime is also in the category of voltage commutation. This will be the well-known equation of Ohm's law. V is equal to IR. Our objective is commutation is reversible of current. Then we can play with these two factors. One is voltage, another one will be resistance. So first we start from resistance. So resistance commutation, that means if a contact resistance, and another formula for resistance is equal to, it is inversely proportional to area. If we increase the area, then we can reduce the resistance. If resistance will be reduces, then we are able to reduce the sparking up to some extent. Up to some extent. If the contact resistance between the contact resistance is nothing, it is the resistance. For example, this will be a commutator. This will be a commutator, and this will be our brush. This will be our brush. The contact resistance is this area on which area brush is contacted with our commutator. That is called contact resistance or RC, which is in contact with brush. जो brush के साथ जो वाला commutator हमारा contact है उसके बीच का जो area. If the contact resistance between brush and commutator is made large, then current will divide it into इनवर्स रेशियो ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे दो हमारे पास है, R1 अगर इस वाइंडिंग का है, R2 इसका है, दैट मीन्स इट फॉलो इन सम फैशन करंट थ्रू पैरेलल टू पाथ. और इफ there are two resistance which are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance will be reduced. For example, it is 2 ohm, then the equivalent resistance will be 1 ohm. This will be reduced, or either we can implement this logic. Either you can implement this logic, increase in area, reduce in resistance, or either you can implement, there are two segment and resistance R1 and R2, 2 ohm 2 ohm, then equivalent resistance will be 1 ohm, because in parallel it is 2 by 1 by 2 reciprocal, we have to calculate 1 ohm equivalent resistance. This is key point in improving the commutation. This is achieved by using carbon brushes. तो उसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, we have to replace copper brushes Why carbon brushes? Because carbon have high resistance. This method of improving commutation is called resistance commutation due to high contact resistance, which is beneficial for sparkless commutation. But there will be a development of loss, that is 2 volt is called 1 volt per brush, one for positive and another for negative. But there are other minor disadvantage. Advantage of use of carbon brushes. That means carbon brushes lubricates and polish the commutator. That means it also provides the lubrication between brush contacts and commutator. That means when the commutator is moving, it provides some lubrication between commutator segment and brushes. If sparking occur, it damages the commutator less than with the copper brushes, and damage to brush itself is little importance. That means it less effect on other. That means it less effect on this carbon brushes, less effect on commutator, but more effect on itself. अपने आप में ज्यादा effect होती है. That means replacement of our taken away point is that replacement of carbon brushes is much easy and less costlier as compared to replacement of commutator. So we can go with this concept. That means the replacement of carbon brushes is easy. Only we have to replace 2 carbon brushes. But replacement of commutator of whole the machine will be difficult. अगर हम carbon brushes use करेंगे तो उसी पे ही ज्यादा effect है. Then if we go to another voltage commutation, what we do? We have a self inductance voltage induced जो हमारे पास VL प्रोड्यूस हो रही है. In this techniques we produce a voltage in such a way that will oppose this voltage. That means VL. If VL will be reduced, that means commutation will be improved. VL will be reduced, then I current flowing through this inductor voltage also reduce. If I will reduce, sparking will reduce. So our objective in all the voltage commutation techniques is to reduce the self induced voltage. जो हमारे पास ये voltage यहाँ पे प्रोड्यूस हुई है VL, इसको कम करना है. ER और we can say that VL, इसको कैसे कम किया जाए. These are the techniques which will be discussed in this discussion. Then neutralize this injected voltage oppose. This is just opposite to reactance voltage. If the value of injected voltage is much equal to the reactance voltage, there will be a quick reversal of current, as a result of which sparkless commutation, as I earlier showed. This can be achieved by popular two method. One is brush shift and another one will be the interpole. This can be achieved interpole as well as brush shift. One will be brush shift. What happen in brush shift? In case of generators, the brushes are given shifted forward lead. Forward lead means on which direction rotor is rotate. For example, here if we see, I have taken this diagram in this fashion. That means generator is moving in this direction. Generator is moving in this direction. Then brushes are shifted also in this direction. MNA. The brushes are shifted in this way. This is called the lead, forward lead. This phenomena is called forward lead. But in case of motor, it is just opposite. The brushes will be shifted just opposite direction of the movement of our rotor. In generator, this will be the direction for rotation of our rotor, and same direction brushes will be lead. To bring the circulating current, coil undergoing computation the influence of next pole, because they go influence. So short circuit coil in now in the reversing field by the reversing voltage produce the reactance voltage. But this method have some disadvantage. That means the brush shift will depend upon the magnitude of current, how much current is flowing through this armature, and it keep on changing. It keep on changing with respect to time. And second disadvantage is the in if armature current is more, not armature here, write down one term, that is if armature current is more, there is increase in the demagnetization effect of armature reaction, and further weakness of the main field. Demagnetization means reduction in flux. If flux will be reduced, then speed is inversely proportional to flux. So there will be a reduction in the flux and reduction in the speed, or we can say that field weakening method. So this type of techniques is less utilization because it has more disadvantage as compared to advantage. Then another is interpole and compensating pole. This is the very popular techniques to use or to reduce the commutation. There will be a change in the construction. That means we put a interpole between the main pole in this construction, N and S. These are the main pole of our machine, and these are interpole, which is adjusted in center of main pole in just opposite polarity. Here we have a north. After north, it will be south. It will be south. After that, we have a north. That means they are fixed in between of main pole, and so these are known as interpole, and these are connected in series with armature winding. See here, this will be positive, go to north, then go to south, then it will be armature, come out this. That means they are connected in case of our in series with the armature winding. But in what fashion? In what fashion? If we say that positive, then mean from positive we take away current. If we say that from positive we take away current, but north is connected to positive and south is connected to negative through this positive and negative brush of our commutator, so that it can neutralize the armature current. If armature current is neutralizes, armature reaction is neutralizes, it will improve the commutation. That will be the basic funda behind this. The best way to produce the reversing voltage to neutralize the reaction voltage is using interpole. These are small pole fixed on the yoke, as I earlier discussed. They would be comparatively few turn. That means it has a less turn as compared to main pole, and connected in series with armature winding, as I earlier discussed, to carry out the current. But what will be the function? The function of interpole is that in case of generator, the polarity of interpole is same as that of main pole. See here, same. Here it will be north. North में करंट क्या था? Incoming. Same. यहाँ पे north है, इसमें भी करंट क्या है? There will be current incoming. It will be outward. Polarity will be same. Main pole ahead by the induced EMF. That means the coil which is undergone. The EMF induced by compensate is known as compensating reversing EMF. Since interpole carry the armature current, and reactance voltage is also proportional to the armature current and neutralize the reactance voltage automatically. And another will be the, it will neutralize the effect of cross magnetization. Cross magnetization is nothing when armature reaction flux and main flux are just opposite to just 90-degree away from each other, but the resultant flux will increase in case of cross magnetization, because there will be a phasor sum of main flux and armature flux. And another technique is compensating winding. Compensating winding are nothing. These are the winding which are placed in the pole phase. See here, which are placed in the pole phase and connected in series with armature winding. That means these winding are also connected in series with the armature winding in such a way that they can reduce the armature current. If armature current is reduced, then armature flux will be reduced. Armature flux reduced means we are able to reduce the commutation. We are able to improve the commutation. Compensating winding are placed in slot provided in the pole phase parallel to the rotor conductor and are connected in series with the armature winding. The direction of current in compensating winding is must opposite of. See here, here we have a positive, here we have a dot. That means cross and dot are just opposite to each other, so that this F armature action will be neutralized. See in this fashion, this will be dot, here will be cross. If these are just in opposite polarity, there will be reduction in the armature current. Armature current lead armature flux reduction. Compensating winding produce MMF that is equal and opposite to the main MMF and flux. So this will be the another techniques. The compensating winding demagnetize or neutralize the armature flux, as I earlier discussed. The flux per pole is undisturbed by the armature flux regardless of load condition, whatever will be the load condition. The main drawback of compensating winding is that it is comparatively a high cost mechanism. In addition to reduce the armature reaction, it improve commutation. These windings are used in plugging braking of large machine and sudden reversible of rotation of direction of motor with high acceleration in small machine. In addition to improve the commutation, reduction in armature reaction, this compensating winding also fulfill these two requirements. One is during large, if machine is large, so for plugging braking, or if machine is slow, is used for just reversible of direction of rotation of rotor. That means that if we say that compensating winding fulfill four function. One is reduce the armature reaction. Number two is improve the commutation. Number three is used in plug-in braking if rating of machine is large. Number four is to reverse the direction of rotation if machine rating is small. And this will be the last point of discussion which we have discussed. That is, if we summarize the today we will discuss commutation, how the commutation process takes place, what will be the characteristics of a ideal and non-ideal commutation or practical commutation, how the sparking is produced. So main thumb is taken away point is sparking is produced due to the production of self inductance of coil. And another will be the how to improve the commutation. Then commutation will be improved by three methods: resistance commutation, EMF commutation, and by using compensating winding. In EMF we are further two category: one is interpole, another one will be brush shift. And interpole and compensating winding are the two popular techniques which are used to improve the commutation. Brush shift is a has more advantage as compared to advantage. So brush shift is least used. Brush shift is least